Yo, it's me again. This is a new camera. It's more clear, but then like it's just really close. I'm really sorry. It's like because the camera is like the really big one, you know. Because my other sister's camera is like I don't know where it is. She lost it or some shit. Sorry cussing, but this is my other sister's, but she won't know anyway. But you know, this one. Guess what this is? Not the Japanese single, but then this is G-Dragon's One of a Kind. Wait. One of a Kind. I brought both version and with photo poster. I bought it on KJCstar.com. KJCstar.com, I think. Yeah. But they're from America. They ship from America. You can see USPS medium mail with tracking number. And if you pre-order from there, they give you like photo poster, which is free photo poster, which is great, I guess. And if you want to buy an unfolded one, it's like $5, but you know, it's like free, so I just like got both of them. I'm really excited right now. G-Dragon is like my bias, but you know, let's go. Hopefully, I don't cut the poster. It took like a week. Yeah, a week, exactly a week from them, like from the 18th to ship from them, because like they ship from Korea and then they have to pack it. So 1 month is really fast for, you know, a standard shipping. With tracking number too, it's really cheap. You just like set. They did it by, you know, weighting the stuff you buy from there, and this stuff is like generally really cheap. But you know, compared to like K-pop Town and K-pop Mart, it's like $1 to $1 or $3, like more expensive. But then the shipping is just so much cheaper and faster. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm really sorry. I don't like this camera. Don't hit the camera. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm really excited. I didn't watch any unboxing of this, just so I can look into myself. Okay. Here's a poster. I'm gonna show you guys maybe the last. It's just paper. You know, it's not the. I'm just taking it out first before I. Oh, real heavy. Yay. Okay. This box. It just, oh shoot, the angle. And then the poster is like paper. It's not the poster type, the shiny one. So let's take it. Ooh, okay. And the other one, I think, hopefully it's not the same. Okay, it's not. I think, sure. We're gonna look at it. Oh, and we're playing the album. Okay, but we're playing Missing You right now from the One of a Kind. Okay, let's see which one should we do first. Let's do this one first. Let's do the bronze version. You might know what I mean if you watch the countdown. Bronze version. Okay. I'm gonna spread. Okay. Probably the unboxing video. Oh, hey. This is weird. It feels like. Okay, I think this. Oh, freak. Oh, shit. Almost dropped the camera. My sister gonna kill me. Okay, let's put this aside. Can you see? Oh shit! Stop moving! Ah. Okay, it's not focusing. Okay, here it is. Okay, kinda. It's like puffy. It's like weird thing happening right now. It's like little puffy. It's not just hard, and I think it's leather. Can you guys see? No, I'm gonna unwrap it first and then, like I see. Okay. How should I open this? Okay. Ooh. Oh shoot. Okay. Tape. What? That's cheap. Put a plastic around it and use tape. I like the other like YG album package better, to be honest. And I saw like the oh shit, there's a sticker. Whatever. On the countdown, it was like postcard. I just hate postcard so much. I can't. Oh no. I like photo book better. I was hoping for a photo book, but you know, there's a bronze version, and it's leather. Look like leather and feels like leather. I think you can see it here. But let's open this. It's like a book. It's like G-Dragon. It's not focusing. Yeah, G-Dragon. Let's open this. I'm gonna call this Bible instead of one of a kind. It's like G-Dragon's Songs of Bible. Oh, that doesn't sound right. Okay. Okay. Take this out, like what he did. Okay, it's really cool design. It won't focus. Okay, there we go. You know, yeah, it's like kind of bronze version. Oh no, maybe there's a different. Okay, I hate postcard, but it's G-Dragon. Oh, it's warm. Ew, what the hell? Oh, okay. Let's look at the YG card. It just says GD. It is black and gold. And number you guys can see. It says GD. So here comes a postcard in the first one. Ooh, it's really hard. It's like on a cardboard. I still hate postcard, but you don't know how much I hate postcard. It's like hatred towards them. But it's G-Dragon. But I guess so. G-Dragon is like cat. G-Dragon with girls. G-Dragon with soldier. Are they? There's a dirty man. And he's a captained G-Dragon, I guess. And I guess this one isn't GD. And suits and dog. I was hoping he would bring Gaho up. And it's not. So. And GD model and his furry big cat and skateboard. Little kid GD. So the style of the one of a kind. And what's this? A paper. Just nothing. Okay. So one and only. Shoot. One and only VIP and a smiley face. Yay! Okay. So, you know, the lyrics and stuff. GD. And how many do we have? How many postcards do we have? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, only 8 postcards. YG's being cheap this time for some reason. Okay, so here's the CD. Set G. And the design is really cool. The back is like bird and a mountain here. Really detailed. And what's on the bottom? Elephant. Okay, I like elephant. So it's a GD here then. Do you hear the sound? It's rough. Okay, let's put it back in. Oh shoot, this way. Oh shit, it's stuck. Okay. Oh, so here's the Browns version. Cool. So here comes the gold version. Ooh, I think like this one better. It's like nicely wrapped. Doesn't look like it's open before. But where's my knife? Where's my cutting buddy? Okay. Just put it in. There you go. Okay. Oh, did I just cut this thing? La la la.